Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And if this is your first time dropping into our channel, welcome. Uh, Tonight's video is focused on maintaining our pizza stone. Last night we made a couple of pizzas, and we decided Lori had made some homemade Italian fennel sausage during the day, and then at night we decided to make two pizzas using it, both the video of her making the sausage as well as the video of us cooking two pizzas are now up on our channel if you want to check them out. Unfortunately, we had a fail on our second pizza when we were using the Ooni Koda 16 outdoor pizza oven. And so what I want to show you is, we see this question a lot. My pizza broke apart, I had a fail. Sometimes it's referred to as a calzone. How do I clean my stone?
We had a donut.
Yeah, we had a donut. And I'll put some images of the pizza in this video so you can kind of see what happened there. But so we thought we'd answer this question. Over the 14 or 15 months that we've had our Ooni Koda 16, we've had a couple of fails, and this process has always worked for us. So again, right now the oven has not been on since last night, so it's cool. First thing I want to do is I want to show you what the stone looks like. Lori had already reached in and took out by hand some of the loose stuff. I like to use gloves when I'm working with the stone. So this is what it looks like. This
There's
is
a
the
lot
fail.
left.
Now, just quickly, this side here, at one time, we had a failure similar to this side. And so the process I'm going to show you is what we used on this side to recover the stone to make it clean in a sense. So I'm going to put this in here. We purchased an Ooni wire brush. It has a little scraper on the end, and so sorry, Lori. So what you try to do is you try to scrape off as much as you can, and then use the wire side okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, I've knocked most of it off, but I'm going to go back in and kind of work this area right here. So you may have to do it a couple times. Ours was a pretty big disaster.
It's the biggest disaster we've had since we made our pizza at one of the first times. Huh?
I think so.
So that's why we bought the brush. It works really well.
Okay, so I'm kind of comfortable, having been here before with a failed pizza and having to clean this stone, that I've knocked enough of the material off. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it upside down. I'm going to put it back in, and then we're going to use the oven a few times over the next few nights. I think, what are we doing tomorrow night?
We're making panuzzo with Italian sausage meatballs.
When Lori says we're making, we're attempting.
Panuzzo is an Italian sandwich bread.
And didn't we get an idea on this from one of our viewers?
Yeah, RBI 25.
No, RBIV 25.
Oh.
A a long time ago suggested we take a shot at this, so we're just getting around to it. But I'm going to use the oven for a few nights, and then when it cools down, the process will be I'll flip it over, see how clean it is, maybe knock a little bit of any residual that might be on there, and then you're good to go. So really it's pretty straightforward on how to clean it, and I'm sure there may be other ways to maintain your stone. Of course, we all know don't use water on it, of course. But so if you have a different way to clean your stone, please share that in the comments so other people can learn about the techniques that you use. But for the past 14 months, this has been working out pretty well for us.
Right.
Fortunately, our fails are fewer these days, but it does happen. So, anything you wanted to add?
No.
Okay. Well, again, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, as always.
Like, share, and subscribe.
And if you are an Amazon shopper, please check out the links in all our videos. And even if you don't purchase the item, if you use the link to go to Amazon and then you buy something within 24 hours, we'll get some credit for that, and that kind of helps support our channel. So it's free to you, and we make a little bit on the affiliate marketing program, so we'd appreciate that. All right, I think that's it. Thank you for dropping in on the video.
Till next time.
Till
You'll
next
see
time.
the results of our stone.
Well, actually, I think I kind of showed the results of the stone because I showed them the other side.
I see.
So, thanks again for dropping in.
Bye.
Till next time.